good morning students. How are you today? Today we are going to study maths book, so take your maths book. Okay, ready? Now I will invite the student to see page 9. In page 9 we will study about numbers to 10. Look, chapter 1, numbers to 10. Okay, the first part we will study counting 1 to 10, and then the second one we will study comparing the numbers. For this part, for the first part, it is counting to 10. We will study how to write numbers 1 to 10, and also we will study how to write numbers, and also we will study how to write the word of numbers. So when you are study with me, be focused, okay? Now let's see. Let's see your book, page 9. Miss Maristan is going to trace the numbers. Okay, so Miss Maristan will make an example on the board. So look. Now you see the dots. You cannot see the numbers clearly. Is that right? Now Miss Maristan will trace the numbers. So when I trace the numbers, I put the dot to be joined. Now, have you able to see the numbers clearly? Of course you have. It's the trace numbers. Okay, in our book, there are until 9. So you try to make it finish. Okay, I hope you able to do this because it's too easy. Okay, next the second one. Let's see part 2. Lihat bagian kedua. We are going to count the thing, and also after we count the things, we write the numbers. Now Miss Maristan will show some pictures here. I will put here. Okay, after I put here, I put the things here. Wait a minute. Okay, what does the instruction say? So everyone, I want to tell something here. When we are going to do the exercise, please read the instruction first, because the instruction teaches us how to do something, how to do the exercise. Okay, now please read the instruction first, and now Miss Maristan will read the instruction. What does the instruction say? Count means that we should count the things first and then write in numbers. Then after we know the numbers of the things, we can write it in numbers. Okay, look at these things. For the first, how many eggs there are? Let's count. 1, 2. So what number do we write here? We write here 2. And then look at the second. How many eggs? We count 1. So we write here 1. And the last, look the eggs. How many? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 eggs. That's good. So look at your book. Look A until C. For the next page, page 10 until C, you make it finish. Understand? After it, you try to draw. Look at the cow. Look at the cow. The first one, you see there are eyes and also eyebrows and also nose and ears. Is that right? Now for the second, you need to trace. For the last, you need to draw. Means that you complete this cow's part body. Okay? Next, you continue until B. After that, we will go to the next page, page 11. Page 11. In page 11, look at part 4. How many insects are there? Look, how many insects? For the first, we should count it first. After we count, look, match the picture to the words. After we know the numbers of them, of the insects, we need to match with the words of number. For example, look at this. How many butterflies? I will count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 butterflies. Find the words of number 3. So it is number 3. I need to draw line to match it. Make it finish. And the next one is part 5. In this part, we need to match the number to the word. We need to match the number with the words. Okay, now listen. Miss Maristan is going to teach to all students here about the numbers and how to pronounce it. Now Miss Maristan will erase this and take this picture. Wait a minute. Okay, look. Okay, look, listen. Listen and say after Miss Marista. 1. Okay, how to write this word? O-N-E. 1. And the second, look, we read 2. Then we write T-W-O, 2. And then, look at this, listen, 3. Okay, we write T-H-R-E-E, 3. And then, 4. We write F-O-U-R, 4. And then, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Next one. Okay, listen, 6. We write S-I-X. Miss Maristan say 6. And then, look, 7. We write the word of this as E-V-E-N, 7. And then, 8. How to write the word of 8? E-I-G-H-T, 8. And then, this number, 9. How to write the word of this number? N-I-N-E. And the last one is say 10. Okay, the word of this number is T-E-N, 10. So, have you understand and able to pronounce the word of numbers? Very good. It's good. Don't forget, after you understand the word of number, you need to match it. For example, this one, the word of 1 is O-N-E. Draw line. Okay? Understand? I know you are good. Next page. Page 12. Look at page 12. It says, okay, it says you need to write the numbers. After you read the words of number, you need to write the numbers. And same with this. If you see the numbers, you need to write the word of number. Make it until finish. After this, see next page. Page 13. Lihat halaman 13. Okay, in this part, as I said before, we will study counting 1 to 10 and comparing numbers. Now, we have done about counting 1 to 10. We will continue with comparing numbers. Now, Miss Maristan will erase this because we are going to compare the numbers. Okay, comparing numbers. I have some pictures here. So, okay, for the first part, untuk bagian pertama, we need to count the things. Look, the first part, we need to count the things and circle. Do you know circle? Circle is like this. Melingkari. Okay, circle the groups that have the same things. Jadi the clue is the same number. Kata kuncinya adalah jumlah yang sama. Jadi di sini kita mau melingkari benda yang jumlahnya sama. So here Miss Maristan will make an example. Look at this. Wait a minute. Okay, can you see the pictures? Can you see the pictures? Okay, now if you able to see these pictures, Miss Marista wanna invite all of you to see, okay, to see these pictures and to count all of them. Okay, for the first, look at the first above. Okay, how many eggs? Here, let's count. 1, 2. Okay, there are 2 eggs. And also look below, beside. Look, how many egg? Yes, 1 egg. Is it same with this? No, it's not same. 1 and 2 are not same. Next, continue. 1, 2, 3. How many eggs? Yes, there are 3 eggs. Then look beside. 1, 2. How many eggs? 2 eggs. So, which things are same? Yang mana yang sama ya? Okay, if you find the same numbers, you can circle. So, let's see. Miss Marista will circle. Because it is not same with this, I will not circle. And then I will find the same. So, it is same with this. They are same. Okay, understand? If you have really understand, I will continue to the next part. Okay, you do until finish, until B. Okay, next we will continue to the next part. Halaman 14 dengan 15. Okay, Miss Maristan will take the pictures again. Still about comparing numbers. But for the first, we find the same numbers. And the next one that we're gonna study now is we are going to find more and fewer things. So let's see. Do you understand what is fewer and what is more? Okay, now Miss Marista will write here. More means lebih banyak, but fewer means lebih sedikit. Now, I think that you have get easy to do this part. Nah, kalau begitu anak-anak pasti sudah gampang mengetahuinya, gampang mengerjakannya. Now, Miss Marista will make an example. We are going to find more and fewer things. So, look at the pictures. Okay, there is box A. There is box B. Between box A and box B, do you find the difference? Di antara box A dengan box B, apakah kamu menemukan perbedaan? So, let me show it. Okay, the first Miss Maristan is going to write. Okay, let's see the picture first when we are going to do this exercise. Look, more is lebih banyak, fewer is lebih sedikit. Okay, there are more blah 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 than blah blah blah. Okay, between box A and box B, which one is more? Box A or box B? Let's find the more things. Yes, There is more box A than box B. That's good. Next, again, fewer, lebih sedikit. Let's find the fewer things between box A and box B. So, there are fewer box B than box A. Good. Have you really understand? If you have already understand, please do page 14 until page 15. If you have already understand, do page 9 until page 15. Okay? That's all for today. If you need to ask Miss Marista or other teachers about this lesson, please ask when we have Google Meet. Okay? That's all for today, and good luck for you, and stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you. Bye.